Place the mould face down on a piece of non-slip mat such as cell grip or a tea towel so it is cushioned during use. Lay a sausage of paste along the cavity. Grease your fingers using vegetable fat and press the paste in firmly. Turn the mould and place your finger across the paste. Insert the graded edge of a scraper into the centre of the paste. Make sure it is as flat as possible and trim away the excess in stages. Smooth using your finger. Turn the mould and trim away the second half of the excess. Refer to our video on how to use CelShapes moulds for more in-depth instruction. Turn the mould so that the deeper part of the moulded design is facing you and release the paste at the opposite end of the cavity using a fine pointed scriber. Peel the design towards you. Rest the border pieces on a rolling pin to dry. The exact size of the pin will determine how curved your pieces will be, so choose a size which will suit your cake design. Dry for approximately 15 minutes, but the length of time will depend on your paste consistency and air humidity. Press a long sausage of paste into the strip border, adding a smear of vegetable fat where necessary to your finger ends to stop them sticking to the paste. Add a little pressure part way along the border with your finger and then insert a scraper into the excess paste. With the scraper at a low angle, slice away a little of the excess, moving your finger along to allow you to work in stages towards the end of the design. If the paste does not all come away at once, repeat, then smooth. Remove the next section of excess paste, then finally turn the mould to remove the excess from the opposite end of the design. Once again, add vegetable fat to assist smoothing the paste where necessary. Care is needed when removing the strips of border from the mould. Holding them and then pulling the paste from the cavity could stretch or break the design. A sharp point is therefore used to release all the more delicate parts. Work from both ends of the cavity to reduce the pressure applied. Once sure that the paste can be removed cleanly, peel gently along the length. Moisten the reverse of a length of border using a brush. Turn the length and attach around the curve of your cake. Pipe a bead of softened paste at the tip of the curved piece and attach to the side of the cake, making sure to keep it as upright as possible. Once you have a number of pieces attached, check the alignment and adjust where necessary. Enough border lengths to go all around the cake. Place them to one side and to cover. Attach the mouldings to the board first and then apply all around the side of the cake, matching the elements of the designs together as you go along. Let this dry before adding a foam support around the sides of the cake. Pipe a small bead of softened icing onto the back of a dried border piece and attach around the top edge of the cake, leaving approximately 1/3 of the piece on the cake and 2/3 resting on the foam. Keep checking on the alignment of the pieces and adjust where necessary before the softened icing sets. Once completed and given sufficient drying time, remove the foam support. Squeeze it so it compresses in height, since the borders do not want to be damaged during its removal.